The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a tornado warning for western Otoe County in southeastern Nebraska until 8:45 p.m. At 8:10 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Douglas, or 24 miles southeast of Lincoln, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat rotation. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Douglas around 8:15 p.m., Palmyra around 8:25 p.m., Unadilla around 8:30 p.m. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. for the following county: Otoe, Nebraska. The National Weather Service